In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove followers from your X account. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to remove followers on X, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get into the steps. Open the X application on your device. Tap on your profile, usually located in the top left corner. Access your follower list by tapping on Followers. To remove a follower, tap on their username or the following option. Tap on Unfollow to remove them as a follower. If you wish to completely remove them, follow the next step. Tap on the three dots or ellipsis next to their profile and select Block. After temporarily blocking, proceed to unblock the person. This action will result in them no longer following your account. This process effectively removes followers from your X account. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and helpful guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.